You know, challenges are something we all face. Some days feel easy, like everything's flowing. Other days, it feels like the entire world is against us. And in those moments, it's so easy to ask, why me? But listen, my friend, challenges are not punishments. They're not proof that you're unlucky. They are lessons carefully placed on your path. Just like gold is tested and purified in fire, you too are refined through difficulties. Think about it. The tree standing tall in the middle of a storm. It doesn't break. Instead, its roots grow stronger, deeper, more unshakable. Our struggles work the same way. Every obstacle is secretly making us unbreakable. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Well, that sounds nice in theory, but when I'm actually crying my eyes out at 2 a.m., that's not so comforting. I get it. I've been there too. But here's the truth. Every time you've said, I can't do this anymore, guess what? You did. You're still here. You kept going. That's proof of your strength. स्वामी समर्थ नेहमी म्हणाले, भिऊ नकोस, मी तुझ्या पाठीशी आहे. Do not fear. I am with you. When you carry that in your heart, challenges lose their power to crush you. You see, strength isn't about never falling. It's about rising every single time you fall. It's about whispering to yourself, this storm will pass. Swami is guiding me. And trust me, storms always pass. Always. When pain comes, it teaches compassion. When loss comes, it teaches detachment. When failure comes, it prepares you for something bigger. Every single moment, whether sweet or bitter, is carving you into who you're meant to be. But I want you to remember this. Strength doesn't mean you never feel afraid. Strength means you keep walking even while you're afraid, because deep inside, you know you're not walking alone. So when challenges come, and they will, don't see them as walls blocking you. See them as doors. Doors that Swami himself has placed, waiting for you to open. And the key? Faith. Whenever your mind screams, I can't take it anymore, I want you to smile a little and say, actually, I can. Because Swami is with me. Trust me, your mind won't know how to respond to that one. And if people laugh at you, if the world doubts you, let them. Your strength doesn't come from their approval. Your strength comes from the one who never leaves you. So from today, instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what is this teaching me? And I promise, the moment you do that, the challenge won't feel like a burden anymore. It'll feel like a gift. Be strong, my friend. Be fearless. Every storm will end. Every night will turn into morning. And when you look back, you'll realize the challenges that once scared you were actually the very moments that made you who you are. And remember, always, Shri Swami Samarth is with you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.